Greeting, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually add currency to this figure right here. Yes, very important. What I wanted to do, we want to block it. I block everything right here. So if you notice definitely what we wanted to do. Alright, let me block back that again. We want to come up to the top here. Notice here is a number. If I come right here and I click on this, look down, drop down arrow right here. You notice this is currency, and if I click, you notice you add the currency there, right? So if I unblock that now, I'm going to look at another way in which I can actually currency. So notice right here what she said number, that goes last button right here. I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on it, bring up this particular section over here. If you notice it's a general number, currency, accounting and all that. If I come right here and I click on currency, you notice it bring up all of these, right here. So I can actually choose what I want. Let's not click. You notice add currency just the same again. So these are the two you can actually add currency to your figure right here in Excel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.